And rescue teams back at it today after heavy rain and flooding hit parts of central Texas over the weekend. So the Kerr County Sheriff says more than 2,000 people from multiple agencies are helping now with this recovery mission. He says crews lost more than half a day yesterday when the river was rising. The July 4th flooding killing at least 130 people. It's believed at least 160 are still missing there in Kerr County alone. And people in our area feeling that heartache, and they're trying to find ways to help. And in a story you'll see only here on WLWT Hour, Danielle Dindak spent the afternoon with a kindergartner from Cleves, making a difference one snack at a time.
5-year-old Ryan Smirnoff shipped the idea out to his mom to start a snack stand here at the golf course. All that money is going to the flood victims down in Texas. Yeah, this idea, a pretty big hit. A short drive from the third hole at Aston Oaks.
I sing on it for the flood victims.
There's money on the line.
Yeah, oh, awesome. But how much is everything?
But this cash is teaching Ryan Smirnoff a priceless lesson.
Okay, well, here you go.
Just shy of kindergarten, Ryan already has big business dreams and giving it a purpose.
Why not use this opportunity to spread awareness and support the victims in Texas? And so I shared that idea with him, and he was very excited.
Compelled to help, he set up shop equipped with snacks and electrolytes.
Water, Gatorades, Water Woos, Chippies, crackers, and pretzels.
Over the course of the weekend, his tiny business grew.
Everyone has been picking everything.
Good job, guys.
The heartfelt cause drove players, neighbors, and passerbyers all to open their wallets and help.
We set the goal of $1,000 by Monday. We were so close yesterday, and we've actually topped that.
Hunt, Texas is about a 20-hour drive from here. But distance doesn't matter when you're just looking to be a good neighbor.
We're happy to help the people in Texas any way we can.
In just a few short days, they hit their goal and some. Now, all of this money will be donated to Camp Mystic and Matthew 25. We have much more information about their cause over on our website, WLWT.com. Reporting in Cleves, Danielle Dindak, WLWT News 5.